Hi everybody, I'm Ganesh Kumar. Being an architect, I would like to share a few things with you. Being a professional, I started my career in 2006. We started a firm, GK Elevations, and it stands on its own standards, and it's reachable to everyone, whoever is having to perform that may be an interior side and exterior side, and we are there to support them on every angle, like right from the planning till the execution. And we support a client in such a way that they really would like to, based on the professional, what support and the kind of requirement they would like to have, and we just believe in that, and we keep supporting them till the end, and we require really, the kind of satisfaction, at the end. So that's how the motto of my company I just started, and I believe in that, and we keep on following the same principle even now, and we are going to be also. Let me tell you about a few of my projects so far which we completed. And first, commercially, we completed, in the year 2007, Adda Bar and Restaurant. So that's centrally located, Kukatpalli, Padmavati Plaza. Then after we completed Pashu Restaurant, that's there, Tolichoki. And after that, commercially, functional hall, Chandanagar, that we completed in a very effective manner, and people are, very, impressed towards that. And let me explain you about my residential projects. And residential projects, we completed My Home Jewel, Fortune Towers, Silicon County, Jayaberi, and Bhavia's Constructions, and like so many, like this, we are into the residential side, we just keep customers' need in our mind to just get completed our projects, and with their cooperation. Interior side, let me explain you about Designary Walls. That is the product, very recently we have just released. Everybody in their mind, they'll be having some sort of dream that they would like to fill some or other. So by introducing this product, we can say very clearly, by investing in a very small amount where you can change your look, that may be a residence, that may be office, that may be in corporates, maybe your schools, whatever you can say in your mind. And very clearly we can say this can be reachable everybody, and everybody can enjoy this product. It's very user friendly, and just directly stick onto the walls, nothing else you need to do it, only the plain surface that we required. And the product is such a user friendly, and you directly stick onto the wall. Being a professionals, we always support you in every manner. It is not that, okay, only we take the professional fee, and we can say this is the product, we can design for you, you can just take it and start executing it. It's not like that. It's not the way you thinking. It is something like this, we support you till the end, and we see through that in every manner commercially how you can benefit, and along with the lookout, I can say. We are there for everyone. So whoever would like to have a planning, the kind of till the execution, we support, and that is the motto of my personal feel, and as well as my company theme also. So we support here in every angle. So probably like everyone can really take a step towards, and try to approach the professionals to get out of the better output, and whatever that you are thinking, and however, we are there here to support you to execute your dreams in a practical manner.